Hey, what's up, Pancakeswap holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm present with another latest update of the Pancakeswap. My friends, this is the urgent news of the cake one. Absolutely, you will be feel very happy after watching this video because in this video, I'm going to talk about the good changes of the Pancakeswap. But now, this is the urgent news. So keep watch important news, my friends. And before starting this video, please, I request all of you, if you listen my voice, click the subscribe button now and also like this video. My friends, if you subscribe my channel, so absolutely you will never miss any update about cryptocurrencies market. Now at this time, the latest price of the cake Pancakeswap is 13.35 USD dollar. 13.35 USD dollar is the latest price of the Pancakeswap. And furthermore, you can see the last 1 hour price change is negative, 1 day price change is positive, and 1 week price change is negative. The latest changes occur in the Pancakeswap is negative, the last 1 day price change is positive. So from yesterday, from the last 24 hours, the Pancakeswap start pumping, but now this time the latest last 1 hour price change is negative, my friends. That's why I'm feeling very shocked about the Pancakeswap. Anyways, how do you feel today about Pancakeswap? Please tell me in the comment box and let me show you the price chart of the cake coin. My friends, this time you can see the price good pump, and that is the last 1 day, and in the last 1 day the price start moving upward. I'm very happy to see this kind of change occur in the Pancakeswap. Hope you also feeling good about the Pancakeswap. Now the price start moving upward, but you have to patience, my friends. Now the latest change is negative. That's a temporary falls. After a few minutes, after 10 minutes, maybe after 1 hour the price will pump, but I'm sure that they will take a pump and they will give you profit. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.